Hey, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to cancel your subscriptions that you've purchased through in-app purchases. And the way that you do that is either through your iPhone or through iTunes, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do it with both. So what you need to do is you need to go ahead and launch the App Store. Once you launch the App Store in your iPhone, go ahead and click on the blue avatar that you see on the top right. Then you're gonna go in the middle where it says manage subscriptions. In here you're gonna see your active and expired. So you click on your active subscription and you can go ahead and click cancel to cancel whatever subscription you wanna terminate. Essentially you could do the same thing with iTunes. So go ahead and install iTunes if you haven't done so and load iTunes. Once you have iTunes open, you're gonna see this quick link section here, and you want to click on account. It's gonna ask you to log in, so go ahead and enter your Apple ID login information. After that, you want to go ahead and scroll down until you go to settings, and then you're gonna see subscriptions, and then you click manage. Okay, once you click manage, you go ahead and see again your active and your expired subscriptions. So you want to click edit to the one you want to cancel, and in iTunes you can see more details, and again you could hit cancel subscription to terminate the subscription. Once you're done canceling all your subscriptions, you're basically done with that. And that's how you complete the cancellation of subscriptions for the App Store. If you have any questions, leave your comment below. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.